Hey there, car lovers. This is Karma Guy, and I'm thrilled to showcase a fantastic find. A vehicle with a clean Carfax and super low miles, only 28,000. With a complete dealer service history and a recent major service valued at over $6,855, this car is in exceptional condition and comes with current Georgia state emissions. It's dealer certified pre-owned and backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, don't miss our 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price when you buy. And be sure to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Recent service includes new spark plugs, all new tires, a replaced cylinder head, an overhauled engine, a new fuse block, a turbocharger, a starter, an air filter, and a pre-delivery inspection, along with a fresh oil and